Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 8. This week, our topic is race and ethnicity, and I wanted to remind you that in the winter term, I teach Social 156, Racial and Ethnic Relations in the United States. So if you're interested, need the credits, well, it should be available to you. We're glad to have you. Uh, and in this class in particular, I'm looking forward to the discussions because it appears to me that we have a lot of diversity in the class, people from all different racial and ethnic groups. And so I'm sure you've got a lot of interesting experiences and information for us. And this is, I think, when a lot of real learning goes on in sociology. If you recall symbolic interaction, we learn from interaction from others what symbols mean, like, for example, a Confederate flag. To some, the Confederate flag is a symbol of pride in their Southern heritage. To others, it's a symbol of slavery, of oppression, of rape, murder, all the horrible things that were done, and in many ways continue to be done to African Americans. So you can see the symbolism on both sides. And the only way we learn the true meanings of these things to each other is through interaction. And so I hope we can have a good and honest debate in the discussion boards. I'm sure we will, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay, the midterm exams. Overall, very, very good. I was very impressed with them. Saw a lot of really good work. Only issues I saw were relatively minor. They're very fixable. Some of them were with grammar. And I understand for a few of you, English is not your first language, but there are tools out there available to you. If not, well, you're always welcome to send a draft to me, or if you are involved in any kind of a writing group or writing class, I would suggest you run that by them as well before you submit it. And again, not just to me, but any of your written work. The other issue I found, and again, very minor, had to do with citations. As you know, all the documents go through Turnitin, and Turnitin will give me a score. Let's not call it a plagiarism score, but it marks against what you've posted, a similarity score. That's what I'm looking for. Come here. I got somebody bugging me here. So say hi, Shelby. Hi. Okay, a similarity score. And all that tells me is that whatever you've written, that it has come from other sources. Okay, that's not to say that it's plagiarism, and many people misinterpret it that way. But what I usually find is the person who has a high Turnitin score has probably just not properly cited their paper. So if you're going to use data from other sources like that, while it's not necessary on the midterm exam, right? If you're going to use data from other sources, you should cite it somewhere. So you don't need a reference section, but at least put a citation in the text so that I know that you got it from, here's where you got it from, you know. And again, I usually, it's not a big problem. So that's about all I've got. Remember, your paper is due on the 26th of this month. So you got time to eat turkey and still finish up your paper. That's about all I've got for you. Any questions, of course, as always, you get a hold of me and I'll be glad to do what I can to help you out. Okay, so have a great week. Say goodbye, Shelby, you big pest. Goodbye. Bye now.